how to fix Facebook download your information problem on your Facebook account. Today guys, I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem. Just watch this video until the end. So let's start. First you will just open settings of your phone, then you will go directly to apps, and on apps guys, you will just scroll down and you will go directly to Facebook. And on Facebook you will click on storage, then you will go to clear data and click OK, and that's it. Your problem will fix it. So I hope this video is useful for you. Don't forget to like, also subscribe in our channel, and see you in another video.